Alright, this is another elevator at Okruzhnaya. I think it's metro station instead of commuter train station in Moscow. It's an Otis Gen2 with Ambiance. I missed this one. Oh. Capacity 650 kilograms. Should be 630 kilograms, motherfuckers. Installed at 2018. It's Premier MRL. I don't like that voice. The button is flashing like crazy.
Первый этаж.
-1. Let's swatch out the glass doors. I mean, watch the glass doors.
Первый этаж.
I'm just gonna check out what it is after I film this. Back up to 1. Not the best, but this is quite nice. Cab view. Nice elevator, but should have been better elevator. Fixtures, Ambiance.
Первый этаж.
I didn't know that there's another elevator here. Watch the door close. But it does. The controller cabinet doesn't look like it's Premier MRL, but it is. But I think this controller is more like a European thing. Otis Gen2. Anyways, there goes and that's it.